Remove the damaged dowel. You may want to use a glove for this process. The dowels are not glued in, so they are easy to replace. Make sure that the dowel holes are completely free of debris. Insert a dowel nib into the bottom hole. Now, insert the dowel end with the dot firmly into the top rail hole. This end of the dowel is specially tapered to easily fit in the rail hole. Flexing the dowel slightly, place the bottom of the dowel into the bottom rail hole. Push down firmly until the dowel is completely seated. Dowel installation is now complete.